Greetings, KL7L. This will probably be the last video about this push-up mast and the Hexbeam NA4RR up there. And the reason is it's all coming down. And it's not because it's broken or because it's failed or it's useless or whatever. But it's moving to a new home, the Hexbeam anyway, and the rotator. I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes. I think this has been, what, 7, 8 years now, and we're way away from the sea here at the base of the mountains in the Talkeetna Mountains. But I just want to show you the lack of corrosion on the rotator. Now this would probably be very different in other areas closer to the sea, but really this is the Kempro or the Yaesu thrust bearing, but everything really looks the same as it did when it went in 2014, 15, something like that. And the push-up mast is in good condition, and the guy ropes. I wanted to show you how we, well, there's the coax and the but the guy ropes are just not really under any tension at all, very much pretty loose. But this is the guy material, and again, no deterioration, and you can get this off eBay. There's the quad filer for the satellite. So I'm going to put up the 13-foot step ladder and attempt to take this down. I just got an email from a chap who has the same sort of, I think he's got the H50 or H40 push-up mast with the Hexbeam on top, and he's had problems actually with the sections coming apart, so he can't actually get the thing down. He asked me how mine is, and I'll probably let you know in a day or so. I'm hoping I can get up to this section, pull the pin out, and it'll drop. There isn't a lot of weight, probably 50 pounds or so. So all the aerials are down at the moment, and we're in the pre-winter configuration. That's tidying up all the cables. These are the cables for the LF, that's 475 and MF, 475 and LF 137 kilohertz feeds, and the control cable for the isolation relays. And they've been taken out of the woods there. The vertical section used to run up the trees right way down there, but no more, because we have an interloper arrived. It's not up in the air at the moment because I have to do some work on the outriggers and lubricate it. This is a MAG106, MAG106, 106-foot telescopic mast, manufactured by a now defunct company, Tower Works, down in Oklahoma. And it has two motors, 1.5 horsepower motors, one to pull the tower section to horizontal, down to vertical, and then the second one up there to pull the sections up. It runs off 110 volts, and this is a 30 amp service that goes into a power box on the side of the house. We haven't buried this yet. This is buriable quality. I think it's 10 gauge. So we are going to put the Hexbeam for the moment on the top of this system. This antenna mobile tower originally came from Edmonton and was bought on a auction online, unseen, and it's in pretty good nick. We have anti-collision lighting on it. They're actually the solar powered versions, And this is a lovely piece of a kit I've just got in from Mast of Scotland. Trying to find a cage for the rotator will go down here. There's the thrust bearing, and this lot will sit on one of these arms, and the hex beam will be mounted on this pole here. Trying to find a cage for a rotator and a thrust bearing in the States has been very difficult, so much so that I actually ordered this one from Mast in Scotland. Carol did a great job. Got here, I think we ordered it like a week and it was here, even with the modifications for the adding the thrust bearing at the top. There's normally just a hole here. So this whole system was towed from Edmonton, which is a 2,000-mile tow, and it's also going to be supporting, the main reason for it is going to be supporting my low frequency antennas, which will be the verticals and the T antenna, and we have to figure out how we're going to do that yet. Not exactly too sure. Have some work to do to lubricate all the items around. There's lots of grease nipples, and make sure that we put low temperature grease in, and we've got a bit of painting to do, but I'm hoping to get this done in the next few days. I'll get the hex beam down and then check it out and then mount it, and you wonder why I have an anti-collision lights on the antenna. So 106 feet up to about here, and then we'll add something above it. This is just a 10-foot pole I'm just trying out, and should take it up to about 115 feet vertical for the Marconi, and we'll take another video once we've got that up. So that's the change. The little push-up mast will be no more, and the hex will regain some height, and we'll see how that fares in the Alaskan winter. So MAG106, a mainstay of commercial communications up in the oil industry. Our company, when I worked for them, we had a few of these, and really good quality. It's a shame that this version is not made anymore. Coming on winter, probably can't see it, but that's snow on the top of the mountains. Oh, you might be able to. Contrast isn't very good. We've already had snow here, but it sort of faded away, and not looking forward to it. Anyway, enough of my ramblings on. I just thought I'd give an update and say 73s and let me get on with the work here. All the best. Kilo Lima 7 Lima, Wasilla Palmer in South Central Alaska.